Hello everyone, welcome back. What is that? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Ashley and I welcome you to my channel. I do videos every week and about everything, literally. So yeah, let's get started. Because you want to know how I got luxury shoes on an affordable price. Because nowadays, girl, shoes are like $1,000 and I really cannot afford, especially being a college student, I cannot afford that. And I'm gonna give you my tips on how I got these little goodies, and there'll be like an unboxing. And yeah, so let's get started. So the first shoes I got was, let me get myself. So the first shoes I got were these beautiful Louboutins. They are the Angelina 85 Vau Velours. And these I got out of Poshmark. I have done an unboxing of these, but I decided to put it on the video. You know, a girl likes seeing shoes, brand new shoes, right? And especially if it's an affordable price. So these retail about $845, which I would insert a picture. And I got them for $436 to be exact, out of the website Poshmark. If you don't know what Poshmark is, which probably you do, and if you don't, you probably live under a rock. But it's okay. I didn't know what Poshmark was until girl was broke and I needed to make extra money, which is how I afford luxury stuff, to be honest. I made an account and I started. Poshmark is not sponsoring me, but Poshmark, if you see this, hit a girl up. But Poshmark, I sold so much stuff. I made like $3,000, I think, like in maybe 4 months, which is, I guess, for being a side hustle job, it's kind of good. These were about $436 and I'm gonna show you real quick. I'm gonna unbox them. These are not really unboxing but I'm gonna show you real quick. So the girl that sold me these shoes, she said they were only worn once, and it's these. As you can see, I have worn them so much. Yeah, these are those. It did not come with the extra heel tap that they do. I'm not sure if they do, because I have never ever bought anything from Christian Louboutins from the actual like store. I have not done that because, like I said, girl can't afford that. But yeah, these are it. They look beautiful. They had a little bit scuffing, which is something you're gonna bump into a lot throughout the website. You're gonna see that there is girls who sell their shoes worn once or twice or just on their wedding, and they're beautiful shoes, guys. You guys they're beautiful, and some people, to be honest, some people are desperate to sell them, so they will sell them for affordable prices. Like these I got for like half off, and she said she only wore them once, which, come on, that's a good deal. So the next pair are my brand new ones, guys. These are brand new. I haven't worn them out. I'm waiting for my birthday to wear them out, but I have not. I got them for $350, and these retail, I'll insert a picture. These retail, as you can see, for $695 with tax. I do live in New York. If I go to the Neiman Marcus or I go to Saks, they will be about $180 because I was about to buy them, and then I was like, Ashley, you can't afford, you need to buy books, you need to eat, you cannot afford. But maybe I shouldn't eat and just buy this. Yeah, guys, I really love these shoes. I haven't worn them, and they are authentic. Obviously, before you purchase from whoever on Poshmark, you want to make sure they have good ratings. They have Obviously, if you pay something more than $500, Poshmark authenticates that for you. But since these were cheaper, I did see her rating. She has sold many Louboutins. She has sold many other things that are Chanel, Fendi, that are authentic. So I know for a fact she was being very genuine and very truthful and transparent, which is what's important as a consumer. You want to see that. You want to see their profile, their about, their everything, that it's actually true. You don't want to buy something fake, which is I have bought before knowing that it's fake, and that's totally fine. I don't have nothing against that. But if you really spend $500 or $400 on something and you expect it to be real, you want it to be real. So just keep an eye on that. And so now we're in the unboxing. These are the Piguet Foley's 85 patent, and they're the same size heel as the ones over there. And let's do it, guys. I'm excited. Let's do it. These are to die for. I have not wear them. I only took it out of the box that it came and sat here to show it to you guys. Oh, okay. Then it's the other shoe, and it's, okay, and these do come. This one has the tag, I mean like the stamp, and this one as well. That's something you want to see and keep an eye out when you buy these shoes, that they have the actual, you see, tags there. Put them there so you can see. They both have individual ones. You want that because that proves that the box is true and the shoes are true, right? So yeah, let's continue. So excited! Look at these, guys. Oh my goodness, look at these. And the girl that sold them, she said that it was she only wore it once for, like, I think her wedding or something like that, which I would not wear these for my wedding. But look at these. It's like has a little scuffing, which you could definitely tell she only wore it like once out. Oh my god. Okay, let me try it on the other one. Guys, these definitely, oh, it's like dusty inside. It's a little dusty, but you could tell it's been like stored. So the bottoms, sides, into the front, side of both. Look at that. And these are, I repeat, the 85 Foleys. If you don't know the difference between the Foleys and the regular Piguet, the Foleys are a little bit more shorter on the front. They do show more of a cleavage of your toes, which I really at the beginning wanted the other shoes, the Foleys, I mean the Piguets, that are more covered and they're more, yeah, I don't want to show my toes a lot. But for this price, guys, I couldn't pass on, and I just had to, like, well, almost smacked me on the face. I had to get these. I just had to. I had to for $360 and authentic. And she sent me the receipt, which is something important also you want to do, is that the person that you're buying from sends you the receipt. Do that, because yeah. And those stickers that I told you about, the boxes, you also want to keep that in mind. But yeah, this is how I got these beautiful shoes on such an amazing price. I remind you, it was $430 one of them, and this one was $350, which is, to be honest, I probably get more use out of these than the other ones, but the other ones go with jeans and when I want to be more exotic, I guess. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to give this video a like, and as always, subscribe. Have a great day, guys. Look like Superman.
Soy mandarina porque te estoy pasando.
Why are you so mean? You want to be on my video? Because no. I could be mean and I could be on my video.
No.
If you want to see Jorge on my video, please give this video a like. And I'll make, like, do a Q&A or something. Give this video a like.